I'm going to show you how to set your favorite song as a ringtone on two phones, Google Pixel and then on a Samsung Galaxy. You can use any song as a ringtone, but to do so, you first need to have the song downloaded on your phone. For legal reasons, you cannot use a song directly from Spotify, YouTube, etc. You can use an app to download ringtones, or another easy way is to download a song on your computer first and then transfer it to your phone. Plug in via USB and put the song in the ringtones folder. Or what I like to do is to use my computer to put the songs in my Google Drive, and then download them from there on my phone. I'll go to Google Drive and find the song I just uploaded. I'll tap the three dots and choose Download to download the song locally on my phone's storage. The phone requires any ringtone to be copied on the local storage, so it can play the song even if you're temporarily without internet connection. Then we'll go to Settings and scroll down to Sounds and Vibration. Scroll down to Ringtone, and from there we can add our new song through the My Sounds menu. I'll tap the plus icon on the bottom and then locate the file. Looks like it's on top of my Downloads folder here, but if you don't see it, you can use the filter in the top left corner to navigate between recent files, audio files, or your Downloads folder. I'll choose the song and it gets added to My Sounds, and from there, I'll just set it as my ringtone and tap Save to confirm the changes. If you're using a Samsung phone, the process is similar. I'll first go to Google Drive and download the song, but like I said earlier, it doesn't really matter how you transfer the song to your phone, it just needs to be saved locally on your phone's storage. Once the song is downloaded, I'll go to Settings, and again to Sounds and Vibration. We'll go to Ringtone, and then use the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new ringtone. The phone is going to ask for permission to access files on my device, and it'll suggest a list of audio files it sees on my phone, one of which is the song I want to use. If you can't find your song, use the search button up top, or the buttons on the bottom to navigate your audio files. The Play Selected Highlights Only toggle up top is a smart feature that automatically identifies a section of your song that could work well as a ringtone. It works well with some songs, but I'd say it's a personal preference whether you'll want to use that feature or not. And that's it. You'll tap Done and your new song will be set as your ringtone. In the ringtone menu, you'll see a little minus button next to any custom songs you've added, and you can use that to remove any custom songs from your list in case you don't want those included anymore. And that's ringtones on Android. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.